The conference on the future of Europe has begun, and it all started here at the European Parliament in Strasbourg. Over the coming year, Europeans are being asked for their input to shape the future of the European Union.
Facciamo insieme un'Europa più forte, più resistente, più democratica, più unita.
The conference is divided into themes, ranging from climate change to migration and health to the EU's role in the world.
L'Europe n'a pas d'avenir si nos jeunes générations n'ont pas d'avenir en Europe.
Everyone can participate by sharing ideas on the multilingual digital platform and taking part in national, regional and local events across the EU. Citizens' panels will discuss the different topics and put forward proposals.
The conference is for all Europeans to debate a shared vision of what we want of our union.
Ideas, proposals and suggestions will be debated at the conference plenary between representatives of the EU institutions, members of the European Parliament and national parliaments, and citizens.
Moi, je veux entendre des citoyens dans cette conférence parce que ça tourne autour des citoyens.
Je souhaite que cette conférence, en tout cas, sonne l'heure du retour des grands projets, des grandes ambitions, des grands rêves.
The conference is expected to deliver conclusions in 1 year. The EU's institutions will then swiftly examine how best to follow up and ensure citizens' voices are heard.